How do companies like Apple manage to update their products often when other companies take years? The answer is Agile project management. And the funny thing is, many of these big successful companies don't even describe themselves as Agile. Instead, they talk about culture. So what does it mean for an organization to be Agile? Well, it practically implies that it's now able to connect to everyone, everywhere, at all times, delivering instant value in a world where people, data, and money interact easily. When we say Agile, we're usually talking about an iterative approach to software development and project management, which was put together in 2001 in what we call as the Agile Manifesto. On the other hand, when we use lowercase Agile, we mean it more as an attribute or a way of life defined by certain criteria, with a focus on transforming the organization in such a way that it can effectively handle the incredible speed of change today, with minimum disruption. And so Agile is what we do, while Agile is who we are.